Mia and Jake have a group project due this week. However, Jake isn't interested and is too busy focusing on his games. But things take a turn when Miss Kwok comes in to see how they're doing.
Jake, you said 3:15. It's 3:40 now. My mom's picking me up at 4. And it's my sister's birthday. And we haven't even done half of the assignment yet.
Chill, Mia. Just 5 more minutes. Let me finish this first match first.
You said we were doing the reading part before 3:15. And we haven't even touched our homework yet. If you lose this game, it's fine. But if we fail this assignment, I swear I'm going to throw you out of the window.
PUBG, huh? I spent 3 nights last week getting to Diamond rank.
You play PUBG?
Yeah, but here's the thing. When I stayed up till 11 p.m. playing, I forgot to grade your UVD test, and I had to stay up till 6 a.m. with cold coffee. Felt pretty bad when I had to turn in late papers.
Mia, you said your mom's picking you up at 8 p.m. because of your sister's birthday, right?
Yeah, she's gonna be devastated if I was late. So that's why I told you to hurry up.
Well done. Let's hustle.
Now that's the energy I like to see. Hustle's how you get both group projects and video games done. You just gotta pick your priorities first. Jake, dinner's getting cold. I saved you a plate.
Later, Mom. I'm in the middle of defeating the final boss. I can't just post the game right now. Liam, take your left. Someone is coming.
Jake, can you teach me this math question? You said you would do it yesterday.
Not now, Maya. I'm busy.
Jake, this is the third night you've missed dinner. We haven't talked all week. How was your math test?
Mom, I almost died because of you. My math test was fine. Can't you just... Sorry.
You also missed my piano recital practice. I played the song that you like, and you missed it.
The recital is tomorrow, right? I forgot. And also, I said I did help you with your math. So let's get started.
Games are fun, but we miss you, Jake.
Maybe after I finish this math questions, we can watch a movie.
Playing games isn't the problem. It's forgetting that the people around us matter too. Games might end, but the way we treat others sticks with them. The real win isn't winning the match. It's showing up for the people who need us, even if it means pausing the game for a little while.
Teens often have busy lives, and gaming can sometimes make them forget about real-life connections. Many get caught up in their phone screens and overlook the needs of their families and friends. It is easy to lose track of important moments when focused on winning.
However, true victories come from being present for loved ones. The hardest challenge isn't just beating a game, but showing up for the people who matter. In the end, those connections are what truly make life meaningful.
Why are my toes so far away today?
Because you skipped your stretches again, Bosco. Look, your hamstrings are tighter than my grandma's.
Hey, I did stretch. My imagination.
Nice try. But real stretching helps with flexibility, posture, and even injury prevention. You don't want to pull a muscle just reaching for snacks.
True, and I heard it helps us to de-stress too. Does it help with sleep too?
Yup, after stretching, you can sleep like a baby koala in a hammock.
Okay, I'm sold. Toe touching, here I come. Stretch today, shine tomorrow.
Now let me introduce a morning stretch routine to you. Just 5 minutes and you feel like a superhero.
Okay, I'm listening. What do I do?
Come on, bro. Start with arm reaches. Stretch up like you're grabbing the last cookie on the top shelf. And neck rolls. Pretend you are saying no to your homework. Slowly. Toe touches. Try to meet your toes. They miss you. And last, side bends. Raise one arm overhead and lean to your opposite side slowly. Keeping your body in a straight line, you should feel a gentle stretch along the side of your torso. You can do side bends while sitting on a chair too, just like this. Hui. Hui. Hui.
Hui. Whoa. Why are shoulder shrugs good for us?
When you lift your shoulders up and down, it helps loosen tight muscles, especially if you've been sitting for a long time. Shrugging and relaxing your shoulders can improve your posture, so you don't look like a slouchy banana.
And kind reminder for everyone. Shoulder shrugs are great, but don't overdo them during a class, or your teachers might think you're weird.
Alright team, before we go, here's your final reminder.
Good posture isn't just about looking cool. It also helps you to breathe better, focus more, and feel less tired.
And stretching is like giving your body a mini wake-up call. It keeps you flexible, relaxed, and energetic. So you're ready for anything.
So sit tall, stretch smart, and stay healthy. Your body will thank you. Catch you next time.